Isa pa sa laging tinatanong sa akin about the CHED Bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program ay tungkol naman sa academic performance na requirement para makapag-apply for the scholarship. Well, ito yung statement exactly from the site ng CHED Bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program. Ang nakalagay doon, una, graduated from grade 12. Okay, so okay tayo doon. Next is belonging to the top 5 of the graduating class or with a minimum GWA of 95% or its equivalent. So narinig nyo ako ha, the word is or, hindi and. Ibig sabihin, kung top 5 ka of the graduating class, kung pasok ka doon, check na yon as eligibility. Pero again hindi automatic na pasok ka na sa scholarship, okay? It just means na pwede kang mag-apply, okay? Kung hindi ka naman top 5 of the graduating class, baka dun ka sa GWA requirement maging eligible. At ang minimum is 95% or its equivalent. So klaro yun ha, hindi kailangan na pareho kang top 5 ng graduating class at GWA minimum 95%. No, no, no. Choose one lang. O, diba? Well, if you are both na top 5, tapos nasa above 95 pa ang GWA mo, edi very good, congratulations. Pero kung hindi naman, choose one lang. Either top 5 no, ng graduating class, kung ganun ka, pwede ka mag-apply, or baka makuha natin sa minimum GWA.